everyone. Today, I am Anushka Joshi, final year student of IHM Dehradun, would like to welcome you all on the occasion of Bharat Parv. Today, me and my batchmates will be presenting before you some of the famous dishes of Uttarakhandi cuisine. So today, me and my batchmates will be presenting before you some of the famous dishes of Uttarakhandi cuisine. On my right, we have Ritvik Garg. On my left, we have Pranit Mathur and Anjali Bhati. So as all of you know that Uttarakhand is known as Dev Bhumi. So most of the food prepared here is Sattvic Bhojan. Uttarakhandi food is also known as superfood. Why? Because it is made with organic and locally grown ingredients in the foothill of Himalayas. All of you know a lot of ingredients, but here I'll be presenting before you some of specific Uttarakhand ingredients which you might not have heard. So here, let me introduce you to something very interesting. This is known as bichugas or kandali. Why bichugas? Because it is very stingy and has thorny leaves. It is said to have medicinal values and it can cure short injuries and diabetes. It is used in form of a saag and we will be preparing kandali ka saag today. Second, I would like to introduce you to mandwe ka atta. Here, wheat is not generally grown, so mandwa atta is preferred. It is used for making roti and it is said to have hot tafi. Atta has hot tafi to compensate with the cold climates of Uttarakhand. So here, this is one of the staple diets of Uttarakhand, bhat. Rice over here is known as bhat. This over here, we have faran. Faran is a dry spice belonging to the onion family. Here we have jhingora. Jhingora is a barnyard millet. It is used in the preparation of sweet dishes and it is said to have gluten-free and helps in patient of suffering through diabetes. Hing. As we all know, hing is very popular through every cuisine of Uttarakhand. Hing is very popular through entire India. But before 1962, all the pathways from India to China were open and Uttarakhand mostly used to transfer its ingredients from China and Nepal. Over here, we have bhang ke beej. Bhang is very locally grown around and the seeds are used for making chutney. Over here, we have jakia. Jakia, which is normally called wild mustard or dog mustard. It is dark brown in color and is used for tempering. It provides a very nutty flavor and crunch to the dishes. Here we have kalonji. Kalonji is used for sweet dishes. Chironji. It is used in preparation of sweet dishes. Well, one of the basic pulses found here is gehat. Gehat dal is said to have a hot taseed and usually consumed in winters. This over here we have udad. This is dhuli udad and it is very popularly used in the preparation of a popular snack called dal ke pakode. Today, my batchmate Pranit Mathur will be preparing dal ke pakode and will be telling you something about it.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Pranit Mathur and I will be preparing urad dal ke pakode. For urad dal ke pakode, we have taken urad dal split and we have soaked it for a day. And after that, we have mixed it in a coarse mixture and then we will make the pakodes out of it. So now for the pakode, we will put a little bit of salt, quarter spoon of ginger and a little bit of green chili. Here I have taken green chilies. You can take any chilies according to your taste. And now we will mix it. Now we will check upon the heat of the oil. Until the oil is getting heated, I'll tell you something about urad ke pakode. Urad ke pakode is a dish which is eaten on any auspicious days. It is a dish which is prepared all year round and it is a must try when you come to Dehradun or Uttarakhand for that matter. In preparing the pakode, my colleague Manishka Joshi will be preparing the bhang ki chutney.
Aloo pakode is very famously eaten with bhang ki chutney. As amusing as it sounds, it's really delicious. So here I have bhang seeds which I have dry roasted, some green chilies, some ginger, and now I'll be using my silbatta to make the chutney. A little bit of water in between. Now I'll be adding some salt. Around half a spoon of salt is enough. Here we are ready with our bhang ki chutney. As you can see, till the time the pakoras are getting ready.
So now we will be putting the pakodes in the oil. We will be frying the pakodes until it is golden brown. And we will be frying it twice. We will be serving it with bhang ki chutney. And it can be eaten even as a snack or in any auspicious days. When they are frying, they will come on the top like they are coming, like some of them are coming, and then we will flip them out, and we will fry them until they are golden brown. Okay, so now as you can see, the pakode are fried and they are of golden brown color. So now we will take it out of the kadai, and we will take out all the oil and we will plate it as soon as possible. dal ke pakode are one such dish which is enjoyed when eaten hot. So now we will be plating our urad dal ke pakode which we will be serving with our bhang ki chutney.